Hi guys, I'm Kyle. Welcome back to First Mold channel. Last time we broke down the structural tricks behind fitting over 200 inserts into a single mold. This time, we're diving into something just as critical, thermal management inside the mold. Let's not waste time, let's get into it. Once the structure is locked down, we focus on thermal behavior during molding. A mold doesn't just sit pretty on a shelf, it goes through hell and back in production. We call this the thermal cycling phase. Here's the deal. Heat, we're talking molten plastic at 180 to 300 digoxon. And the mold surface takes that heat over and over. Pressure, during injection, the cavity can hit pressures of hundreds of megapascals. Cycles, a single mold can run over 1,000 shots per day. Now put all that together. Thermal load and mechanical load cause constant expansion, contraction, and elastic deformation. This gets real tricky with stitched insert structures. Each insert has different material, shape, cooling, so they expand and contract unevenly. That's where trouble starts. Microscopic misalignments at the seams, which over time lead to fitment issues, wear, even flash or jamming. It's the kind of stuff that doesn't show up on day one, but kills you in long-term production. For those long inserts, we build in thermal compensation early in the design stage. Take S136 steel. Its expansion coefficient is 10.410 6 degrees. If the mold runs at 100 and 120 degrees, that's about a 70 wound delta from room temp. A 180mm long insert would expand roughly 0.3 rem. To handle that, we pre-design clearance into the joint. Not only that, we also guide the expansion direction and restrict deformation paths. Typically, we're dealing with a 50-80 degrees C range, depending on the mold temp and material behavior. So in those seams, we reserve 0.015, 0.02 mil. And by controlling the mating surfaces, we stop thermal growth from opening up the mold or jamming parts. Thermal management might sound boring, but in mold design and machining, it's one of those things you just can't ignore. That's why the engineers at First Mold take it seriously, to make sure everything down the line runs smooth. Alright, that's it for today's episode. If you work in mold design, or you've dealt with thermal management firsthand, we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Thanks again for watching. In the next video, we'll jump right into inserts machining. See you next time.